How to get money off your vanilla gift card. So guys, when you come to your vanilla website like this, you can't get money off your vanilla gift card using the websites. As you can see, all these are gift cards. We have the Thanks Orange gift card, Silver gift card, all gift cards. As you can see, Gold Script gift card. So let me assume you have one of these gift cards, but you want to get money from these gift cards. So what you're going to do is to come to PayPal website. So come here and search for paypal.com and open the website like this, and make sure you have a PayPal account. As you can see, I have a PayPal account and I'm already logged in. So what you're going to do is simple. Just come to notifications here, okay, and then add your card details of your vanilla gift card. So come and tap on see details here, and I'll be able to link my card details from my vanilla application or from my vanilla website to the PayPal website. So just come and put the card details of your gift card from vanilla, then put the expiry date also, then security code is always 3 digits, put it also, and then just tap on link. So when you tap on link, you'll be able to get or to withdraw that money from your vanilla gift card to your PayPal, and later on from your PayPal to your bank account. So that's it guys. Please ensure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet once again.